Hello everybody. How are you today?
Good, good.
Yes. Uh, now I want to talk about best points of instant and junk food. And how many do you like junk food and instant food, like hamburger, pizza, ramen? Yes, drink. Actually, junk food means garbage. This thing, I think that all of you ever heard that junk food and fast food is very bad for health. About many people as well as some of you like junk food and instant food, even though those, those are very bad for health. Because the reason is those kind of food taste good and those are very simple to eat. We don't need to waste a long time like when we eat buy hamburger. So people like this food. Um, then why does the junk food is bad for health? Junk food and instant food have much sugar, salt, and something like that. In other words, there is much stuff which is bad for health. Now, first, bad stuff is sugar, especially high sugar. Too much ingestion of high sugar makes you to get sick. It causes fatness, uh, diabetes, heart disease, and hardening of the arteries. This has many germs and makes increase makes increasing of parasites in your body. This is also related with emotional instability and juvenile delinquency for children. And an enlisted officer of United States investigated that if the youth and young men check a physical examination with standard of uh, 100 years ago, uh, most of people, 90%, will be fail to pass the examination. Uh, the reason is too much ingestion of the white sugar. 80% of this sugar enters into our body when we eat instant and junk food. So nowadays other diseases increase very much. If you want your child to have a good health and growing normal, you have to give them general food like meat or vegetable and rice, something like that. If you give instant or junk food to your child frequently, he can't grow in normal and regular person because of too much ingestion of white sugar. So white sugar is very bad for health. Uh, and second best stuff is salt. Salt is very related with high blood pressure. So hypertensive control the pressure with food which is good for blood pressure. But it is not easy to control the blood pressure. Salt is the seasoning which is to make a good taste in the instant and junk food. I think that I think that you know that a little salt is good for health. But too much ingestion of salt is very harmful and bad for your health. Actually, uh, we intake proper salt through nature food. But when we cook something, we use salt very much, more than enough uh, quantity. In addition, when people cook the instant and fast food, there is every kind of uh, natrium, including generous salt. For example, uh, when a child eat the ramen one pack, he already intake the quantity of salt which uh, child need for a one day. So when a child eat the ramen one pack, we can guess that how much quantity of salt does a child intake for a one day. If adults also don't stop to eat perfectly the ramen or something like that, uh, it is impossible to maintain the normal blood pressure. In my case, uh, my every family has a normal blood pressure, even though anyone doesn't eat any medicine, uh, because we don't. My mother, uh, you, when my mother cook, uh, use a little bit of salt. Uh, by the way, it is very uh, seriously big problem for the disease and high blood pressure. Uh, Recently, many 20 to 30 age people get other disease and high pressure. These people are increasing more and more while the time is passing. In conclusion, uh, there is a lot of sugar and salt uh, bad for health to think, and actually there are uh, many things else these two.
Is is brown sugar better than white sugar then?
Yes, brown sugar is better than white sugar. White sugar is very bad for health.
Okay.
I think brown sugar is better. In conclusion, there is a lot of sugar and salt which is very harmful for our health. This cause diabetes and heart disease and hardening of the arteries more and more while the time is passing. So we have to don't eat the instant and fast food. Especially in your case, I think that you who studying away from Korea uh, don't have time to cook, so you often eat the instant and fast food. But so it is important to care your health through your food. Uh, this is my presentation. Thank you.